also K10 has the test suite dashboard where K10 will be able to track the different KPIs for testing in terms of the failed as well as the past report, the distribution, the test case distribution by status, as well as based on the different types of testing which has happened on the status and things like that. So there is a dashboard. Maybe if you want to look at based on timeline, maybe I can go to the transformation hub as part of the dashboard where you can track it via timeline as well. So I mean, there are different dashboards available as part of K10. So one is primarily with the digital labs pre-built dashboard, and then there is also like the timeline based dashboards in specific to the test case. I mean, this gives you an overall view across all the streams. So that's where the test cases come in. And here you can track it based on the different uh, resources. And yeah, you also have the timeline based reports as well. Like what is the status of the test cases over a period of time. And yeah, with the respective status. And not just on a daily basis as well. You also have like these in this tracker you are looking at a very daily everyday basis. You can also like choose like filters like phase, basically like which phase it has to be. uh, we have to look at the respective insights about the overall defects in specific. I mean, there is the issues console where you where again it gives you the complete view of the complete set of issues which has been generated both from the testing or from the general sources like the network or any business process oriented testing and things like that. And then yeah, definitely it gives you insights analytics over that as well. So the defects in specific, the issues as a whole. So, yeah, and each of these issues also provided with uh, separate defect wizards as well, which offers a more detailed wizard insights upon each of these issues as well. So this